Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, and today I want to share with you something I learned. Now, I picked up these two jars from the 99 cents only store. You know they're going out of business. And they have these labels on the front, but I don't want the labels on the front. So I was trying to find a way that would work, that would take the labels off and make them clear just like this. So I looked around, I did some research, and I found a way that was take the labels off and they will be clear. So what I did was I got some white vinegar. Yes, everyday white vinegar that you have in your kitchen. Now you take that vinegar is going to take the painted labels off the front of these containers. Now, what you do is you get a pan and you put your vinegar inside. And that's what I did. I have the vinegar in this bake pan. You lay your jars down, face down, where the label is in the vinegar. Now it says let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. And once it sits, then the label should come off easy. Now you see how that's coming off? See how easy that comes off? And it saves me the time of using, scraping your fingers and hearing the scritch noise from the labels when you use a razor to try to get the paint off. This way it comes off just like you picking off old fingernail polish. That's what I thought of when I was doing it. So it's able to get all that paint label off the front of the jar, and the jar is clear. Now I can use it for what I want. I'm going to have labels made to put on the front of the jars. Now it has those clamp tops on them like I like, so this would be great. Now see how the label is gone? Still need to wipe it off. Still have a little paint on there. But otherwise, all that red label that was there is gone. It's a clear jar now. So I thought I would share that with you. Let me know what you think down below. I'm still in search of finding another way to get it off. because I have some other containers that have the painted label on them, and I tried the vinegar and it won't come off. So I thought I would just share this with you, because I know a lot of people out there like me trying to find an easy way to get these painted labels off these jars, because I didn't like the red or the blue, and I don't like the black ones either, so I wanted the jars to be clear. So let me know if this was helpful to you, and I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.